Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply for Macy's credit card. Macy is a well-known American department store chain that sells clothing, home goods, and more. Now to apply for Macy's credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.macys.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Macy's. Now here you can see the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and type credit cards. Then press on enter. Now here you can see credit card options provided by Macy's. Now scroll down. Then here you can see apply now option. Click on apply now. Then you'll be taken to another page. Now here you need to fill all the information. First view credit card terms and conditions at top. Then enter your first name on the given box. If you have middle initial, then you can enter your middle initial. It is an optional choice. Then enter your last name on the given box. With that, enter your email address on the given box. By providing your email address, Citibank N.A. may use it to contact with you. Now enter your phone number on the given box. Then select your phone type by clicking on the phone type box. Your phone number will be used to contact with you. After entering all the information, click on continue. Now here you need to confirm your address. First enter your street address on the given box. When you are entering your street address, you may be able to find your location, so you can click on the location. With that, your city and state will be entered. Now enter your zip code on the given box. After doing so, click on the option of continue. Now here you need to further enter your information. First select your residence status by clicking on the given box. Then enter your monthly housing payment. After doing so, enter your total annual net income on the given box. Make sure you read the information regarding total annual net income on the downside. Then enter your date of birth on the given box. Then enter your social security number. After providing all the information, click on the option of continue. Now here you can once double check every information. If you are finding some error, you can click on the pen icon at the side so that you can edit the information. After double checking the information, click on continue option. Then once view account terms and details. Make sure you view every terms and details. Then click on I have read and agreed to all the statements above box. Then once view email status agreement. Then click on the given box if you like. With that, click on submit application option. Now your request will be processed. After that, you'll get a notification stating thank you for applying. Now your application will be processed and you'll be contacted with the decision of Macy's credit card in few weeks. So make sure that you are updated with your message and mail so that you can check on the information sent by Macy's. This is how we can apply for Macy's credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.